Are you interested in growing your service sales? Are you looking to elevate and upgrade your craft? Would you like to put more money to your bottom line? Hi, I am Jameson Codner, the Director of Smiles and the lucky son of that lady, the Bali Lama, and have I got a special opportunity for you. She is going to be coming to Reno, Nevada in September on the 15th and 16th to teach intensive hands-on workshops with her coveted balayage and French cutting systems. What can you expect from a class with Candy? A super intimate learning environment, one-on-one with the educator of the year. An incredible place for you to work hands-on your own mannequin head. We're going to have lunch. We're going to have some retail therapy. You're going to have a mega swag bag and a full day of learning. Far too often we go to class, we get back to the salon Tuesday morning, and we say, okay, well, that was great. When you take a class with Candy, you are going to leave with a roadmap for success so that when you get back on Tuesday morning, you are fired up and ready to implement her money-making systems on day one. Do not wait to sign up for this opportunity. Each day is going individually for $299, but if you bundle, which why wouldn't you? Make it an education vacation in Reno. You're going to save $99. So for sub 500, you're going to get 2 full days with the Ballet Lama, 2 swag bags, a mannequin head, yours to keep, and an incredible opportunity to level up. Now more than ever, we need to hone our craft, increase our efficiency so we can work smarter, not harder. Let Candy Shaw hold your hand, show you how she's been able to triple her color business in her 50-chair salon in Atlanta. Oh, and by the way, you're getting a brand new presentation from her as she's constantly evolving her education. So don't wait to sign up. It's going to be at the Grand Sierra Resort. We've got a negotiated rate so you can bring your spouse, bring your friend, bring your kids, make it a full, fun weekend in Reno. I can't wait to see you there.